name is Suman Kumar, Director Manager of your home. Okay, this is a CNC meeting. So a very exciting event April 17th to 25th April. We will enjoy. We would like to share to have a delight with you about technology. Have a new revenues coming, what be data coming, what is data body also. This one data one will be connected to this, what we want to sample, but give a revenue include an application, but mix it what phone speed, MBS speed, high speed to be more improving. And services actually we need to have more discussing it, what developing it more expand on the new revenues, new revenues coming, and we will do expand on another new revenues coming, but data services that we use for the extensions for the application be used by enterprise. By January we will be doing by technology services that we providers services. I will be enjoying it.